Now that you've rented a carpet extractor from Don Aslett's, let me show you really quick how to properly put it all together. Let's start with the blue solution hose. Insert it to this part, just like an air hose. The other part into the wand, just like that. Now let's insert the vacuum hoses. Wiggle this one on with a lot of pressure, and this slips right onto the wand like that. If you rented our upholstery attachment, it attaches just the same. Vacuum hose, solution hose. These are great for using on your stairs, in your car, or any type of fabric furniture. Now, you should have spoken with one of our Don Aslett's professionals and shown you exactly what product goes in the machine and what cleaning product goes in the pre-spray. At this point, this is where you'll want to pre-spray your carpets and treat stains before starting the machine. Now it's time to spot treat any stain areas with a recommended stain treatment. You will spray it and then agitate it into the fibers to help release the stain. Then you're ready to carpet clean. There's two tanks to this machine, a clean tank and the dirty tank. Make sure this is closed and sealed properly, and then pour the water into the clean tank. Now that you have finished pre-treating your carpets, it's time to shampoo and deep clean your carpets by pouring the recommended solution in the clean water tank and following the directions for the right ratio on the back. Make sure the machine has power. It's time to turn on the machine. You have a vacuum button and a solution button. Make sure to turn both of them on. Now that you have pre-sprayed and shampooed your carpets, it's time to use our Carpet Rinse and Neutralizer, which is a must to bring your carpets back to a neutral pH. Please use the directions on the back to add the correct amount into your clean water.